Tell me when you're ready, Kilo. Well, here we are. We're back in Point Richmond, California. Purpose of the video today, we're doing something a little bit different that I don't do a lot of videos about, just because I don't know, I forget or they don't come up often enough. But we're out here doing a stamped concrete driveway, where they put the same type of shiny sealer that I keep showing you guys that you're not supposed to put outside. But I guess they use it for stamped concrete to help it cure or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, though, if you look here, you can see it's all completely turned white. It's flaky and it's peeling. It just looks hideous. We're gonna chemically melt it all off, get it all removed, and then we're gonna switch it over to a different sealer. It'll be a lot easier to clean for the customer and to maintain. If you flip around and look right here, you can see some of the stuff we've already done here. You can see the areas where it looks clean. You can see how much better it already looks, getting all this crap off of here. So anyway, though, once we get it done, I'll show you more pictures of how the final project looks. If you like us, you should subscribe. If you have any questions, leave us a question. We'll answer them as fast as we can. We're just really busy, so it's hard to answer questions like right away. But give us a call or leave an email, whatever. I'll give you a holler. Like us, subscribe. Check out the rest of the video later. Thanks. Bye. Damn it, Kevin, my phone's up.